Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you the best strategy to manage multiple Cash App accounts legally. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video, so let's get into it. Now, the best strategy to manage multiple Cash App accounts legally is strict separation and compliance with platform rules. Use only one personal account per individual identity as required by Cash App's terms. If you need additional accounts, clearly separate personal and business use by requesting a business account with proper documentation. Never use false information or duplicate personal details to create extra accounts. Keep login credentials, linked banks, and debit cards distinct for each account. Monitor activity carefully to ensure transactions align with each account's purpose. Legal, transparent account management prevents freezes, closures, and of course long-term access issues. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.